What's up, everybody? Welcome to Quality Cars right here in Long, South Carolina. I am extremely excited to show you this absolutely gorgeous 2018 Chevy Silverado. I mean, you know, let me tell you folks, it's a good time to talk about it. It is literally snowing outside right now. We haven't had snow in years. I'm talking quite a few years. And we're looking at the 18 Silverado with a set of snowflake wheels on it. It's very rare for it to snow here in South Carolina, especially out here near Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. But then to have a beautiful truck like this with a set of snowflakes on it, I tell you, the timing couldn't be any better. Let's go ahead and walk around it, take a look at it. If you're in the market for a truck and you like Chevrolet, this might be just the one for you. It's probably one of the most beautiful Chevy Silverados we've had in quite a while at our dealership. And I'll tell you folks, I am excited to show it to you. So let's go ahead and get started with no further ado. The color says it all. I'm loving this dark gray with the gold bow tie, the painted front. We just had the wheels and tires put on today. You got 22-inch snowflake style wheels with those good looking tires on there, plenty of tread, brand spanking new. We also added in a 3-inch leveling kit on this truck to give it that nice height that you're seeing. Other than that, it's pretty much all stock, other than the wheels, tires, and the leveling kit. But it's beautiful. I'm liking it. Loving that color combo, folks. I really do. And I love this body style Chevy Silverado. This is an LT package. It's got the backup towing package, backup camera. You got on the bumpers, you got your little steps there. It's extremely cold. I tell you, we're not used to this type of weather down here in the Carolinas. I could really use a pair of mittens or gloves right now. My hands are freezing. But anyways, let's keep moving around kind of quick. It does, we did take the mud flaps off. We got to put them in the shop, but there's the mud flaps. We take them off. It does got the bed liner in the back. Z71 four-wheel drive, and boy, oh boy, is she not a beauty. She surely is. We went ahead and left the running boards on the side, or the running rails. I like them. They look good on there. They're in black. They kind of flow nicely with the setup we got. Interior on this LT, you got the dark black cloth seats, all-season rubber mats down there on the bottom, which look really good. Those are actually Chevrolet style, very similar to the WeatherTechs. And the back seats are clean. You got your center armrest with cup holders, but this is all very nice, very clean. This truck is in beautiful condition. It's got low mileage on it, just around 111,000 miles. So that's not bad at all. And wow, look at it. Wow, it's been very well taken care of. There's the front, got the touchscreen display. Also in this cold weather like we got right now, it's got a nice warm heater, which I'm liking. It feels good. My hands are already warmed up just by putting them in the air. Let's go ahead and move around, take a look in the front. It's solid, but again, 18 model with 111 on the miles, 5.3 V8 Vortec under the hood, four-wheel drive, Z71. Seats are in great shape. Power seats, of course. No heavy wearage, which is nice. Armrest looks good. It's got that smart charging system there, wireless charging. Also has the heated seats. Man, this is nice. And it's not too high up off the ground where you can't get in. You just step up, grab the handle here, get right in the truck. There you go. It does got a backup camera. Put her in reverse. There you go. There's your camera view with the guidelines. Steering wheel looks good. Dash is in great shape. We got books and manuals. Look how clean this truck is. Wow. Got all your charging sections. You got your 12 volts right there. Regular outlet like you would have in your house. 2 USBs here. Heated seats, dual climate control. Charger there, wireless. 2 more USBs off to the right. A big cubby hole and more storage, and another 12 volt right down in there. Got your sunglass holders up top. I mean, OnStar. It's got everything you could ask for on a truck. It looks good. It's tough. It's got the V8. There you go. You can't beat it. Folks, this truck is priced out at $28,900. You're going to want to come and see it at Quality Cars. That's exactly right, folks. You're going to want to come down here and see it at our dealership. I can only imagine this would be the one you'd want because it's absolutely beautiful. But if